Hello. Today, we will learn about the phrase fear for somebody. It means to worry about someone's safety or health. For example, you might say, I fear for my friend's safety. This shows you care and are concerned. Remember, fear for somebody is inseparable. You cannot put the person's name between fear and for. Say, I fear for my sister, not I fear my sister for. Use this phrase when someone might be in danger. You can also say it when someone is ill or going through a hard time. It is stronger than just worry about somebody. For example, I worry about my friend means less concern than I fear for my friend. Be careful not to confuse fear for somebody with fear somebody. Fear somebody means you are afraid of that person. But fear for somebody means you are worried about them. Try using fear for somebody in sentences about safety, health, or difficult situations. For example, she fears for her children during the storm. Practice by saying sentences like, I fear for my family's safety. This phrase is useful in both speaking and writing. Now you know how to use fear for somebody correctly. Keep practicing, and soon it will feel natural. Thanks for watching. See you next time.